What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the filler for the premiere break. Gonna go live. We're live at 2:21. It's 2:21. Yeah, I'm just doing the random right now. Gonna go grab our list. We got Scotty on top and Mackenzie on the bottom. Go grab a fresh list. Scott on top, Mackenzie on the bottom, no spaces in between. Guys, we're going 3 times. 1, 2. Adam on top after 2. Top 4 win. Mike, you would have wanted that one. That second time stamp was in at 10:22. It's 10:22. Guys, third and final time, top 4. Mike, Scott, Mike, and Adam.
Not like out of the
Top 4.
Stay now.
out of the run again.
Congratulations.
What did I get?
I'll tell you in a sec. I think you got Tampa. I can't get this timestamp.
Were you in the minute? No, we were just like. You ended up
3 times. 10:22. It's 10. Just turned 10:23. Guys, again, Mike, Scott, Mike, and Adam. Congrats.
Mike who? None of these guys.